friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will give you some tips and I will tell how to solve a Rubik's cube like a speed cuber. For that, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So without wasting the time, let me give you some tips. From that you will get some idea. Then I will give you this full information. For that, bring your Rubik's cube and follow me. First, to make it, make a white cross. You can make it in it 5 seconds or less than 5 seconds. After that, put the corners and edges both equally. Means you have to put them both in one sequence. After that, make a plus. After that, if this situation comes, follow me. Up. If this, put it in your side like this. It is facing you. Then do R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. If it will take, you have, sometimes it is again and that, so do again. R, U2, R prime, U prime, U prime, R prime. Now, the second last step, make them if like this comes or the screen is full or any color, so you do this R, U, R prime. We will do symbol step. Then after that, U prime, R prime, front, R2, then U prime, R prime, U prime, R, R prime, F prime. Now this comes. Now let's do the U palm. For that, watch it carefully. R2 from the side of the orange, means from here. R2, you can watch this U palm in my next video. After that, now let's do the how to do the solve Rubik's cube. Now I will give you full information, so please don't miss it up. Yeah, this is my Rubik's cube. First, make the white cross without daisies. It will give you. It will not give you so much time. Then put. Oh, sorry. My bad. After that, then put this. Like in this it has come. Here is it. Here it is one, and here it is this magic color. So we will do. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, this comes. Do this, but it is opposite, right? Now I will up. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, and do it continuously. And then look here. It is now fetch. Now if I look on this, it is very different. Right. But I will tell you again how to do. Again do that stuff. R, U, R prime, U prime. Again do this. And then again that problem. And no issues. You can do it again. As usual, as you know. After that, now if this comes in and in forward of this, the edges pieces from the corner, is it you're facing you, then rotate your cube and then do this. Up means R, U, R prime. Then again do that stuff because it is done. Now it is my problem. Now the corner is also already, but the edges are not. So do this. Follow me. Make it far from the corner. Then do this. And not worry. Easily do that step. Now make the cross plus. As usual, as you know, you can easily do this. Or in some cases, suddenly this happens. Now what we will do is this. We have to do this twice time. Do not do this. Push it down, double, then R, U, R prime, U prime, and the jump. Look, our plus is easily done. We don't have to do it twice. Then it like this comes. So we have to do this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now look, this is come. And I have already tell you in this how to do, but I will give you some steps. Make sure it is facing you. Then do this. R. It is facing you. Then do it is facing other side like this. It is in my opposite side. So I will do R, U2, R prime, then U prime, up means R, U prime, and then easy step, put it down means R prime. Next, after that, if this comes, so for this, do R, U, R prime, I have then I will tell you it again. First I forgot, sorry, my bad. Now I will not give you my badge. So do this. Up means R, U prime, U, R prime, R prime, then U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, then R, then we will do R, U, and then F prime. Now this comes. Now you have to do U pump, and it is very easy, but you will watch it now, and I will also share this video in my next video, which is on my 1 week later. So for that, don't forget to subscribe. Then now moving up, don't waste our time now. To do this, make sure the color like there is the orange. So in the opposite of it, do R2, U prime, then middle middle, U2, then middle up, then R2. You have to do it twice time. Then again do this. Now I will show you how do I solve. Now I will show the result. Ready, set, go. And look, these are the results. Don't be a GNF because this video will not be an GNF. So see you soon. Take care and joke on out. And be a speedcuber. Bye.